Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the SimpliSafe 11-piece wireless home security system Gen 3, a robust and easy-to-install solution for your indoor security needs. This system is designed for simplicity and effectiveness, allowing you to protect your home right out of the box with no wiring or drilling required. Just plug in the base station, place your wireless camera and sensors, and you're ready to go, with complete control via the SimpliSafe app to arm, disarm, and monitor your home from anywhere. The Smart Alarm wireless indoor camera offers real-time crime prevention with two-way audio, enabling monitoring agents to see and speak to intruders during an alarm. With features like entry sensors for windows and doors, motion sensors that cover entire rooms, and a smash-safe keypad, your home is well protected. Plus, with up to 24-hour battery and cellular backup, your security remains intact even during power or Wi-Fi outages. Compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, this system seamlessly integrates into your smart home, ensuring you stay secure with ease and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.